Good morning, children. Today, we're going to study how to multiply fractions. How to find the fraction of a fraction. For example, we have 1/2 times 4/9. Step 1, multiply your numerators straight across. So, ito yon, 1 times 4, we have 4. Step 2, multiply your denominators straight across. We have 2 times 9, we have 18. And we have the last step, simplify your answer. In this case, we are going to reduce this to lowest term. Okay? Think, what is the GCF of 4 and 18? Or, in what number can you divide 4 and 18 without a remainder? In this case, we have 2. The GCF of 4 and 18 is 2. So, 4 divided by 2, we have 2. 18 divided by 2, we have 9. So, the final answer is 2/9. We may also use cancellation method to multiply this. So, mamumove lang yung ating step. Ang move natin, cancel the term that can be reduced to lowest term. Alin ba dito yung pwedeng i-reduce? Yung 4 at saka 2. Ano ang GCF ng 4 and 2? So, since may GCF siya, pwede natin siyang i-cancel. So, we can divide both of them by 2. So, 4 or 2 divided by 2, we have 1. 4 divided by 2, also we have 2. So, now, you can multiply your numerators straight across. So, ito 1 times 2, we have 2. 1 times 9, for step 3, we have 9. So, in this case, you don't have to simplify kasi nakasimplify na siya. So, the answer is 2/9. So, we use this method, we use the cancellation method on this one. How to find the fraction of a whole number? What if the question is a whole number? Just remember, of means multiply in mathematics. So, we have this one. Step 1 natin, change your whole number to a fraction by adding a 1 underneath. So, gagawin lang nating fraction. So, nilagyan natin ng 1, fraction na siya. So, step 2, multiply your numerators straight across. 1 times 7, we have 7. Multiply your denominators straight across. Ito yun. 2 times 1, we have 2. Simplify your answer. In this case, we change to mixed numbers since it is an improper fraction. So, improper fraction, mas mataas yung numerator. So, we have to divide. 7 divided by 2, we have 3. 3 times 2, we have 6. 7 minus 6, we have 1. So, gagawin natin itong mixed number, yung 1, mapupunta doon. Ano yung denominator niya? Ito. Yung divisor or this one. So, the answer here is 3 and 1. Okay? But what if we have 3 items, 2 fractions and 1 whole number? So, just like a while ago, yung whole number, we will make this a fraction by writing 1 underneath. So, step 2, multiply your numerators straight across. So, on this case, tatlo siya. 1 times 7 times 6. We have 42. Step 3, multiply your denominators straight across. 3 times 1 times 9, we have 27. So, this is an improper fraction. So, we've got to simplify this by changing it to a mixed number. 42 divided by 27, we have 1. So, this is 1 and 15 27s. But is this the final answer? Hindi po. Kasi pwede pa itong i-reduce to lowest term. In what number can you divide 15 and 27 without a remainder? Yes, we can divide it by 3. 15 divided by 3, we have 5. 27 divided by 3, we have 9. So, yung whole number, don't forget. So, the answer for here is 1 and 5/9. So, just remember this answer, ha? What if we're going to use the cancellation method? Diba? You will write 1 underneath. So, alin ba dyan ang pwedeng i-cancel? Basta tandaan nyo, isang denominator, isang numerator. So, on this case, pwede itong 3 tsaka 6. Or pwede rin naman yung 6 or 9. Mamili lang kayo. Ako, ang pinili ko, yung 3 and 6. Pwede nating i-cancel. Saan natin siya pwedeng i-divide? We can divide it by 3. So, we have 6 divided by 3. We have 2. Dito naman, 3 divided by 3. We have 1. So, wala nang pwedeng cancel. You will multiply across. 1 times 7 times 2, we have 14. And dito, 1 times 1 times 9, 9. So, improper pa rin. So, we're going to change this to mixed number. So, the answer here is 1 and 5/9. So, any method you use, pwede. Kung gusto nyo, yung method 1, multiply nyo agad yung numerators, then denominators, or pwede rin naman cancellation method. It's up to you kung ano yung gusto nyong gamitin. Okay, class. Happy learning! Goodbye, class!
So, to answer our activities, you're going to use this answer sheet. So, this is where you will answer activity 1A, activity 1B, activity 2, activity 3, and activity 4. So, here is the back page. So, dyan yung susulat yung sagot nyo. So, for activity 1, so illustrate the given fractions and the product by shading the figure below. So, for example, 1/2 of 1/3. So, ato yung 1/2. So, may shade na. So, yung 1/3. So, paano ba sa magiging product niya? So, you will have, ito yun. So, ito yung 1/2. Then, ito yung 1/3. So, alin ba yung double shaded? So, ito yun. So, actually, ganyan nyo ipagagawin yung activity 1. So, may sagot na kayo sa number 1, ha? So, for letter B, 2/4 of 2 and 3/8. So, in this case, yung 2/4 pwede nating i-lowest term. So, ginawa ko na lang itong 1/2. So, ayan, may shade yan. So, ayan yung 3/8. 2 and 3/8. So, ayan na yan. So, 2/4 niya or 1/2. So, hahatiin lang natin sa gitna. So, ayan yung 1/2. So, ilan ba yung double shaded? Ang double shaded, ito yon. Itong mga green na to. Kasi pinaghalong blue at yellow. So, we have 19/16. 4, 1, and 3, 16. So, actually, ito lang naman yung figure. Ito lang naman ang kailangan nyo. Yung number na to, hindi na kailangan. Okay, for activity 2, so katulad din nung ginawa nyo doon. Kaya lang, susulat nyo dito yon. So, for example, this is 1/2. So, susulat nyo dito 1/2. Dito, we have 3/4. So, susulat nyo 3/4. So, in this case, lalagyan nyo ng shade. Ito yung 1/2. Ayan naman yung 3/4. Ito yung double shaded. So, ano yung sagot niyan? Kung ito 1/2 times 1/4, ang sagot niyan, 1, then ilang parts ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, this is 1/8. Yun ang sagot dito. So, ganyan din yung gagawin nyo for the rest of the activity. For activity 3, 2/5 times 3/4. So, alin kaya dito yung sagot dito? Is it A, B, C, or D? So, 2/5. Alin ba dito yung hinati sa 5? So, lahat naman, di ba? Kaya lang ito, 3/5 siya. So, ito, 2/5. 1, 2. Then, 3/4. Ibig sabihin, hinati naman pababa sa 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ito yung 3/4. So, ang sagot dito ay letter A. So, isusulat nyo lang yung sagot. So, ganyan lang din ang gagawin nyo for the rest of the activity 3. So, for activity 4, so you have to solve this. So, multiply the following fractions, choose the answer from the box. So, hindi ba, we have 4/5 times 30. So, these are whole numbers, so we will make it a fraction. It will be 30 over 1. So, multiply across. 4 times 30, we have 120. Then 5 times 1, we have 5. So, if you will divide, you will get 24. So, alin ba yan diyan? So, this is 24. So, isusulat nyo. Itong solution, susulat nyo dun sa box for activity 4. So, pwede rin naman cancellation method. We have this one. You can cancel 5 and 30 kasi pwede mo siyang i-divide by 5. So, 30 divided by 5, we have 6. 5 divided by 5, we have 1. So, multiply across. 4 times 6, we have 24. And 1 times 1, so, 424. So, ayun din yun. Nasa choices siya. So, that is the answer for number 1. For activity 6, multiply the following fractions. In your activity notebook, on this case, in your activity sheet, write T on the blank if the number sentence is correct and F if it is not. So, for example, i-multiply nyo to. Tama ba yung 8/15? Kung tama siya, you will write 3, 2, T for true. So, ganun din ang gagawin nyo dito. Kung tama yung sagot, you will write true. Okay? So, for activity 7, you have to multiply and choose the correct answer. So, may part din naman dito sa answer sheet. So, you have to show the solution, of course. And that's it. So, you're done with the week 6. So, goodbye class and happy learning!